Hey out there, you curious YouTube viewers. Welcome back to another adventure with me, Paul, of Dunbar Land Farms. Today I'm out at the farm and I've got some scrap loaded back here, but before I can take it to the scrap yard, I've got to sort it out. I may show you some of the sorting process, may not. But before I get started, if you're like me, you always need organized. And what you're looking at here is a bunch of sockets. These happen to be metric sockets that I'm holding up, and they're in the Harbor Freight carrier. This is another Harbor Freight carrier that is just too hard to put the sockets back on. So that's trash. So I did a little investigating and came up with this. It's called Hyper Tough 1/2 inch drive socket holder. And I got this from Walmart at, I believe, around $6.50. So I'm going to start putting some of these sockets on, and let's see how they look and if I can get them organized, and what your opinion is and how you organize yours. Because what I want to do after I get them organized is put them in these Harbor Freight special baskets, totes, whatever you want to call them. And when I'm working on something, I can either just pick this up or pick up the whole thing and keep them organized. So anyway, let's see what we can do here. Okay. In this box we have 9/16. So I'm starting out with, even though I'm not going to use that, I'll have another started out here for my 9/16. I'm not replacing this as of right now. This is what my dad bought his sockets on. So I'm just going to try this for a while and see if we need to change that around to one of these. So let's see if we can get out the old trusty knife. Trusty knife. This is one of my dad's. Let's see, this is a buck knife. There we have it. So we're prepared for what we start coming up with. Here is some metrics. So what I want to do is start out with the metrics. This is starting out with a, I can't tell, a 10. So see how hard these Harbor Freight things are to get out of here? Punch. That I didn't put up. Screwdriver. See if we can get these metrics off of here. This is a 10. See, they're not easy. No wonder you can't put them back on. So I'm going to start out here with 10. See how easy that goes on? And then we have a 12. See how not easy this comes out. Why do you think I'd ever put them back together? Because they broke and they're just hard to do. Well, these things turn too, so unlike these that they don't turn, these turn. So far I'm very happy with that. I looked on Amazon, looked at Harbor Freight, and some other locations, and this seemed to be about the best option. So I hope it is. What a pain to get off. That goes on so easy. Let's see what else we got in here. Oh, I got some of these. Got a lot of deep wells, which we will get to. Okay, so we've turned up a 21, a 13/16. So the 13/16 would go right here. See, now I got those together. Here we have a 17, and here we have a 16. So this is a 14, 16, and 17. So I'm guessing we'll find a 15 at some point. So far that's what I've got. And then this is a 19. So we'll leave a space for an 18. I don't know if there is one or not, but we'll find out. And this is a 21. So right now, if I'm looking right, I need an 18. No, I need a 15, an 18, and a 20. Possible. So, yeah, see, I got all this stuff in here. And this is a 1 1/4 deep well. And this is a 22. So this is a 21, so that's a 22. So we'll need to start up another one on the measurements. I hope you all are as excited about doing this as I am, because I am so tired of not having sockets available when I need them. So this is should be the 20, it's a 22. And here again, I like this because you can put it in, look it around, and see what you've got. The rest of those are deep. 1-inch deep well socket. So looks like that I'm in, here's an 18. That's a metric deep well. See, I just kind of mixed them all up. Who out there doesn't mix up your sockets? There's a 19 deep well and a 21 deep well, which goes with these. One and 1/16 deep well. 11/16 deep well. Okay. What's our smallest that we've got? 1/2, 7/16. Okay. Need one more of these. Which is my last one. I'll probably have to get some more, but hey, I thought I'd start out with these, get it a little organized, starting out, and then we'll finish it up. Again, let me know what you guys use for your stuff. And since I'm not at the farm full time or doing any mechanic work full time, and I'm in my early 70s, there's no reason for me to have a toolbox in my truck on the side. I don't do it that much. And I'm certainly not going to have one in my truck, or I've got to get up and down all the time. Not fun. So got this. Just need to find, there's my 9/16. Need to start out with my 1/2. So anyway, there we have a strand of that till we find some more. So anyway, let me see what we've got here that we can finish up with. So this is a 22. What is this? A 27. So I've got some others scattered around here. But anyway, guys, you get the idea. I'll find the rest of my sockets when I'm not on your time and come back and get these organized. So let me know how you organize your stuff. And I also bought some 3/8 inch drives because I've got some at home that I need to put in, slot in here, and some in my toolbox as well. But thanks for joining me on this video. Let me know your thoughts. If you'd like to see more like this, hey, subscribe, give me a thumbs up, give me a comment, and we'll see you the next time on Dunbar Land Farms.